Hey, I'm Jackson. This is how to wire your stock headlights and new light bars, underglow lights, whatever you want, to your new lithium battery. You're going to need a converter of some kind that goes from whatever your battery is. Mine's 38.6, but that's 36 volt. So I got a 3648 reducer that goes to 12 volt. That powers the fuse box that's everything 12 volt. You find the old ones that were hooked in a 12 volt series to your battery. They're usually some of the small ones that are from stock. Mine is an old club car, so this is the stock headlight. Had an inline fuse already, but I still fused it into here. This was also the negative to I believe the headlight system, and this was also negative to either the horn or the backup, something else originally. And so I have a 12 volt kill switch that's a key fob remote that is in line to the negative of the fuse box. So all you need is this and this. I would either put a switch between here, like a toggle switch. I put my toggle switches up here and have a power line running to a bus bar up here. These are bus bars coming off positive and negative. All the main positive, main negative for the Golfcart. Only anything that is 36 volt, or if you have a 48 volt, then 48 volt. But I have a little bus bar in there that was already in here that had 12 volts coming to it. So I tapped all of these onto that 12 volt, which is going to be one of these positive wires that came on the cart originally. And that's powering the bus bar up here, which gives me my headlights, my underglow lights, my radio, all on the same one. So I have that with kill switch, so that anytime I'm walking up to or leaving the Golfcart, I click a button on my key fob and it turns all of my 12 volt stuff on and off. But you don't need that. But it is the coolest thing, I think, to have, and it's only like 20 bucks. Altogether, this is like, I got a big one of these, and this was like 40 bucks. You can get them for 20 bucks, little half-size ones. They work great. I've done them on all sorts of carts. But everything has to be fused into here or to here for your 12 volt new headlights to work, or to get your original headlights to work without blowing up. You got to put them on something 12 volt, but connect all this with this off. Don't ever do any of this work with these still connected, or else you could fry yourself. So I'm not in trouble if you do any of this. This is just tips. You better talk to a actual mechanic, but this is what I did on my own. Pretty simple. This is just like your main stud to the battery. This is your main negative stud to the battery. We just have extra spots to put it, so we're not stacking 4 lines onto the screws up there. You can have a good connection there. Take that one off. If I need to service anything, just make sure to take the negative off first, always. If you got any questions, let me know. I got a siren on this thing too. If you shake the Golfcart, the alarm goes off, and you got to hit the key switch. So yeah, if you got any questions, let me know.